We arrived at the foot of Cross Mountain. Look, you have beautiful coffees. There is one where you can also go on the toilet if you need to go before Cross Mountain, because up there is no toilet. Here's another nice coffee shop. Shops up there, like this coffee shop as well, which is up here. And let's go a bit further. So people are smart, they go up now, Cross Mountain, because later it's going to be very, very hot. Here we are. Welcome to Cross Mountain. And take you a little around here. This is a nice coffee shop, it's a nice view here. And it's good to have a coffee here or like a water when you come down. I did that very, very often, having like a coffee and coming down. And here you are, that is Cross Mountain. I go a little up with you. I think today I can't go the whole way because my bike, I have to check my bike, it's down there. Didn't lock it. And here we are, Cross Mountain. But you get a little impression walking up. It's like Apparition Hill, but triple or quattro size. The rocks as well, where you can learn to go step by step, moving forward. That is what we all want to do in life, going step by step. And you will be safely going your way and fast your way. A man in France told me, old man, if you go step by step, you go very fast. You get very far. That's how he said. And that's why a little message today from Cross Mountain. If you go step by step, you get very far. And fast, very far, you know? And I hope you like this little video. Subscribe to the channel, share the video, that other people also can see the beauty of Medjugorje. And have a joyful, beautiful day. You can see you have a beautiful view from Cross Mountain on Medjugorje. If you look at that, isn't that nice? It's like that. And I leave you with that beautiful view. Have a good day wherever you are. I pray for you here in Medjugorje. Please pray for me as well, yeah? Bye bye for now.